G'day, Barry here from Jigs R Us, and welcome to this week's episode of Need a Tool, Make a Tool. So, Forge Knox has a problem. They need to do a job. They need to make some handles for a customer. One of the steps is to make a set down with one of these dies at exactly 12 mil. What he was going to do was cut a recess at 12 mil, then regrind the fuller. But that would mean he would have to make a new top die for every sized step down or tenon. But I've got a better idea. So here we have a pair of saddle made out of 12mm square bar, and these just fit nicely over the bottom die and act as a kiss block, so that when the top die comes down, it stops at exactly 12 mil. You can make these at any size you want, or any step down or tenon that you want. You can make them at 6 mil, 8 mil, whatever. They can also be round bar, but we've chosen square bar. So, we needed the tool, we made a tool. So that's it for this week's Need a Tool, Make a Tool. Hope you found it interesting and helpful. If you did, leave a comment in the comment section below. Otherwise, you know what else to do. So, we'll see you next week.